viewers, I got some good spare bits from my Victa 526, which is awesome. I got some new wheels. The front ones are mainly a bloody Grouse score, because the tyres are in good nick, they're intact. They're rock hard, but they're intact. No cracks or anything or deformations. And as you can see, my ones, the original ones, yeah, they're stuffed. But these ones are good. The back wheels are off the spare mower too. So I'm going to save these ones as spare wheels. Good tyres. The original proper steering wheel that it's supposed to have. Nice. So that's good now. Got some good spare bit on there, which is looks original now. I've also even got a whole new deck, which is awesome. It's mechanically sound. Here's a parts one which has been molested. They've put a new engine on it. As you can see, it's been bush hacked. It does run, but missing the air cleaner once it's reassembled. They didn't even know how to put with it. Look at that. That's not how you put with it. No spark plug, so it's a what model is this? Briggs Intech Edge overhead valve Briggs. That's been off the original pull start, and there's a fuel tank. The engine's fine, but I'm going to keep that as a spare engine. Maybe for some other purpose, but it's got the wheels I've kept. Good wheels, good spares, spare gearbox. I've got spares like these caps, these pedal things. I've got to pop these off and keep these little rubber things for mine, because mine fell apart. That's a pretty good one. And the main part why I got this, also because of this deck. It's mechanically sound with the original blade and original bearings. So I got a good spindle shaft now, a good boss and a good blade for my my other 526. This seat's buggered, by the way. Been broken there. They've snapped it. I could probably weld that and reshape it. This is all stuffed by the sun. It won't cost much to reupholster it anyway, the other one. But this deck's in good nick. It's missing bits, but I've got all those bits. I'm going to take this all apart, pressure wash it and clean it and repaint it. Apart from these three major holes here, I'm going to weld up the rest of these unnecessarily tech screwed holes and file them down. I don't want to have any necessary holes in it. This is all going to get cleaned and repainted, and I've got a good spare base. But look at that. Bearings are a bit noisy. So I've got a really good new shaft, spindle shaft now, which is good. This will basically be a new mower now. Because this thing, there are a lot of shafts that badly worn, it's got wobble in it. And this thing jumps around and makes most of the bloody noise in the bloody whole mower does. And that's shaking and jumping around is only going to ruin all the mounts and wear everything out unnecessarily in the long run. So this thing's actually I've got all the bits to fully restore this, which is bloody Grouse. Really awesome. I'm really happy with that. The other gearbox you see, you probably would have seen it a hole that put a grease nipple on it. These mounts are a bit more wobblier, but on the spare mower, that mount doesn't have as much wobble. I think most of it's just a bit general wear and tear anyway. This thing has had a lot of use as well. It's not as bad as the other one. Yeah, pretty about the same actually. They're pretty good for parts of these models now, which is awesome. Yeah, where I got that one there from, the bloke had two of them, but one was pretty much just a shell with nothing on it, the other one. But yeah, the big job is to get this up on the stand and repair this wobbly deck now, and get this deck apart. It probably is just to change the blade and the boss on the deck, but I still got to take the whole deck off to do it anyway. It's a big job. To take this shaft out, you've still got to take out this pulley, and that's got to come off. So to do that, you've got to take this whole deck out. So It's already been soaking in CRC. Let's do that. Take this all apart and put my new spindle shaft on my Victa 526. This thing will be like brand new now, which is awesome. I can fully restore this, which is good. Anyway. Well, I couldn't take the spindle alone out of this deck because it was so well put together, so I just oiled up the bearings and put this deck as it was straight on, cut a bit of the small dent out of it and put this chute on it. This is like a brand new mower. This is like a bloody brand new mower now. It's awesome. Bloody Grouse. Pretty much got a brand new mower here. Good. Much better now. Let's go for a little ride. I've adjusted the brakes and the brake works. It's only a parking brake. It's not an actual full-on stock brake, so it's a core little manual with this thing. It's only a parking brake. The bonnet latch don't work. They have to be adjusted. I can't push too back too far on it. I run off high over T. Look at that, awesome! This thing's practically brand new now. Oh, look at that. There's my mower I was had earlier. Well, they're making a mess now. That's more effective than the last blade. Much better mower now. More consistent cuts. This thing is Grouse now. Anyway, I get up and mow my front lawn now. Thanks for watching.